Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you the Asus Zenbook X Fold OLED. And after the Lenovo just released their ThinkPad X1 foldable in CES 2021, and now the Asus they released their Zenbook 17 fold OLED, and in China we call it X Fold LED. And this foldable personal computer have a higher certification, and also they provide a new choice in the market for the personal computer. Next I'm going to open it, and we will check all the stuff inside these books, and also we will talk specification about this personal computer. And so you can see after we open it, provide a warning paper, and then different languages for warning papers, and then we can find the personal computer. The X Fold LED is stand straight inside the box. Okay, first let's put it aside, and then we will check the other accessories first. Okay, so it's really a big size, and if it's not unfolded, and okay, the first let's go to this. Let's check what's inside this small box, and then okay, another package inside the box. So this is a very special designed box. It's like the racing cars, the butterfly doors. Yes, it's really so cool, and it's make it really so high end for this products. Yes. Okay, so now all the stuff are in front of us, two small packages and also the X Fold. And then let's go to this box first. Let's unbox it and let's check what's inside this box. So okay, here we find the I think it's the charger and the cable. Yes, the charger and the cable. And this time this time they also provide I think it's adapter. And this time for the X Fold, provide a 35 watt hours big battery watt, and it support 5 to 20 days standby time. So this is pretty cool for such a big size screen, big size screen foldable personal computer. It's 17.3 big size screen computer. And also let's check what's inside this another box. Okay, so it's a keyboard. I think this is also a customized keyboard, just like the ThinkPad X1. You can after we fold it, this keyboard can put inside the gap between these two, between the in the personal computer. So this is the keyboard, and also it supports magnetic connections. It's automatically attached to the personal computer when we put it on the when we attach it to the pad, to the X Fold. This is also pretty cool and very similar to the ThinkPad X1. Okay, next let's go to the X Fold OLED, and first we can find it's a big size, and in the back cover of the pad it shows these parts, the different certifications and authentications. And next I'm going to peel the screen protect off, and then okay, whoa, it's so amazing. And it's a very simple designed mantle with the man-made leather material back cover, and also here it have a Intel Lenovo or lot of other certifications. And let's go to the front side of the pad and side of the pad. Sorry, personal computer, not pad. Okay, so it's a really amazing and really big size. And after we fold it, okay, it looks so cool, and we can see that there's still a gap between this when we fold it, and also we can check it from different. This time the weight of this of the X Fold is 1.5 kilograms, and also after we fold it, it's have 17.4 mm, and if we open it, it's only 8.7 mm. So this is also acceptable for such a big size personal computer, a foldable computer, and we can check it from different angles. It's really cool, and it's much bigger than the ThinkPad X1. And okay, next we can show you how to use the keyboard, and we can attach it after we open it. We can attach it and put it in one side of it, and then we can totally close it. And then okay, the keyboard is inside the or inside, or just suit perfectly when we close the foldable X Fold, and it looks so cool. Or it's very convenient when you take it for business trip or use it as your work partners, and it's so cool. It supports mechanical connections just like the ThinkPad X1, and also for the keyboard support Bluetooth 5.2, and the full size screen keyboard is have a 13.05 mm, and for the keyboard cap is 0.2 mm, and also for the long keyboard is 1.4 mm. So this is pretty cool and can bring you a very nice typing experience. It's really amazing as well. And after we close the X Fold is have a 12.5 inch screen size as well. Compared to the totally open, the 17.3 inch is still a very big size, and also it's bigger than the ThinkPad X1. And let's check it from different angles. Fold OLED, and it also supports the switch mode from different mode. We open it and we close it, you will have a suggestion mode for us to choose, and we can check it. Yes, from different angles. And for the hinge, some they have very durability test is part of the 30,000 durability test for the hinge as well this time. And this is pretty cool, and also they provide different circumstances for us to choose. Personal computer mode, the personal computer with keyboard mode, reading mode, or the pad mode, or extension mode. So this time they really provide a very cool product, and also for the experience, it's pretty cool they provide. This also have and now I'm compare it to the ThinkPad X1. As we can find that is much bigger than the ThinkPad X1, and also its material is a bit different. If you compare it to your smartphone, you can find that okay, even it folded is 3 to 4 times bigger than your screen. So this can surely provide you a better experience for walking or for falling. And so this is the another advantages compared to the small size of your smartphone. And here they provide a different mode for you to choose, as I mentioned. Asus Zenbook Fold XED. The screen performance is really amazing after we open it. And also we can go to the settings to check the process information about this device. And this time they use the 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor. And also it passed the authorization from Intel Evo. And for the i7 besides i7 processor, it also have a Xe GPU, and also this time they provide a 60 GB RAM plus 1 TB SSD. It's past LPDDR4, R5, and PCIe. So this is pretty cool for the such a foldable personal computer, and it's almost reached the flagship specifications for the personal computer. And it's have a 2.4 GHz wireless interlock and support Wi-Fi 6E. 6E. So this foldable computer, though it's a foldable product, but also it's have a very high-end, high standard specifications, just like the normal notebook laptop. And this time they also houses the dual Lightning 4 port. It supports PD fast charging, and also four loudly speakers, and it also have a 4 microphones. It also parses Dolby and Harman Kardon. This is a quick and short video about this X Fold from Asus. Let me know in comments, do you like this such a foldable personal computer?